To all my YouTube fans, how are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's blog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, I'm going to share with you the wire diagram of my Gfci outlet I made for testing projects when I'm like building lamps or doing any type of electrical work. But I don't recommend doing this yourself if you don't feel comfortable with doing any electrical. Don't do it. Get a professional electrician to help you with different things. Now, I do have a spare outlet here, and I'm going to briefly talk about these units and how these things work. Let's go a little closer for the camera can see here. This side is your hot. That's your neutral, your ground, your test, and your reset. Now on the back, we're going to have the hot side on this side. Over here we have a couple of holes where you can put your solid or stranded cable in. Neutrals on this side, and on the top we also have the ground earth. Now, the one thing about this outlet, this metal here is also a ground as well. That's how easily these things work. This is a polarized plug. One side is bigger than the other one. Now, this is a 15 amp rated outlet. Right there. You can see where my thumb's at. Now, this is an older one. This does not have the shuttles built in. Means if anybody can stick anything in here and you can kind of get electrocuted from this. Now let's put that off the side, and let's go ahead and just go over this unit I built. Here you have 14 gauge extension cord, a metal plug, a female outlet, and a metal electrical box. Now we're going to take these two screws out of here, and we're going to show you how everything is wired nicely. And of course I got myself just a standard Phillips screwdriver. Taking these out of here, it's very simple. Just unscrew them. Now of course if you're going to be working on anything electrical, make sure it is unplugged before you start monkeying around with it. Now, I am not a licensed electrician. I just do this because I like to educate myself on how to do it. The proper way to do a electrical outlet. Now, I don't have my cover broke when I was putting it all back together and stuff. This is called a muddering. Now, let's slide it this way. And we're going to flip it over. See how the thing is wired nicely. And we do have 6 inches of electrical cable coming out of the box. This is a 4x4 box. It's a very small box actually, but it can still fit pretty decent wire gauge in it, but maybe not 12, but I don't recommend put anything larger in this metal box. Let's bring it up to show you. Here the way I wired it. This is your hot, your neutral, and also your ground. And yes, everything is taped up nicely. And this little sticker here is your load. This is your line input right here. That's where you put your power. The load is if you want to put any other type of outlets down the line of the unit itself. Now let's talk about bonding the metal electrical box. Here we have just a standard pigtail going from the main earth ground going onto the metal electrical box down below here. And we also have another pigtail going to the outlet. Means this box is 100% safe. Now when I plug this in, it does work perfectly fine. Everything works. Now I also taped the wire nut Now, this is not code, putting this little zip tie on here, but the reason I put that zip tie on here, for the tape doesn't peel off. Now we have a pretty good amount of extension cord coming into the box. You can see, like that, I have my hot on that side, neutral on that side, and also the ground. Now, the way I done this before is I never had these pigtails here before. I only took the ground, stuck it up there, and had everything grounded that way. But this is the proper way to ground the metal box, and also your Gfci outlet, a separate 15 amp as well. This is not a 20 amp circuit. This is just a 15 amp circuit only. If you want to do different testing, like say you want to build lamps for a fact and you don't have a way to test them properly, this is one way to do it. Now, be very careful again when you're doing this kind of project. Everything is wired correctly. The box is bonded, the outlet's bonded, means I can use this outlet safely inside my home. But again, this is only rated for inside and not outside use. I would have to change a little bit of stuff on this to make this usable outside. Alright, if you guys are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out, bye guys and girls. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Bye for right now. Peace out from your boy Chris. Have a nice day. Stay safe when you're going to be monkeying around with electrical.